If you're a new entrepreneur or a startup, you know how tough it can be to secure funding. Traditional lenders often want years of business tax returns, large revenues, and perfect credit, things many new businesses just don't have yet. That's why flexible qualification requirements are a game changer. At Cube Capital Group, we focus on helping startups access the capital they need by considering alternative data like personal credit, projected revenue, and business potential. These programs open doors even if you're just starting out. When you don't have a long financial history, you don't need to wait years to take that next step. By leveraging these flexible loan options, you can build a solid foundation, invest in growth, and scale confidently. If you're ready to explore how flexible funding can help your business, visit cubecapitalgroup.com to learn more. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more business funding insights.